Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control an Audi Rs4. First, ensure your engine and transmission are at their proper operating temperatures to prevent damage. Next, find a safe, open area away from traffic and pedestrians. Make sure your tires have adequate tread and are properly inflated for optimal grip. Finally, select the dynamic drive mode to prepare your vehicle for the best possible launch. To set up for launch, first engage the sport transmission setting, usually by pulling the gear selector back once. With your left foot, firmly depress the brake pedal all the way to the floor. Simultaneously, use your right foot to press the accelerator pedal past the kickdown point. You should feel a slight click as you push through this resistance, indicating the system is ready. Once you've pressed the accelerator past the kickdown, you'll see a Launch Control Active message appear on your instrument cluster. This confirms the system is engaged. Now, quickly and smoothly release the brake pedal with your left foot. The car will then launch with maximum acceleration. Keep the accelerator fully depressed until you reach your desired speed or shift point. After performing a launch, it's important to allow your Audi Rs4 engine and transmission to cool down. Avoid immediate repeated launches, as this can put excessive strain on components. Give your vehicle a few minutes of normal driving to recover. Remember, launch control is designed for occasional use, not continuous repetition. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.